Hello traders, the title of the video is how to identify a clean cut RSI divergence like a pro. So the reason why I'm using the word clean cuts is because you are looking for an RSI divergence that you want to master and use consistently to cream the market without a fear. A clean cut, specific, neat, and gorgeous. That's what you are looking for, yes or no? All right. So here it is. There's one here. You can see that the RSI period 14. This is the default setting I'm using here. It's working beautifully. I start liking this RSI period 14. Well, it's working beautifully on the monthly chart. Here it is. It's a bearish divergence. RSI, let me use my beautiful American accent. RSI, period 14. Here it is. Exhibits a lower high while the price is exhibiting a higher high. You see, yes, George, I know that. What is new? Well, there's something new here. And you want to watch the full length of this tutorial to understand, okay, that clean cut RSI divergence trading like a pro. So here we are. So you may say, okay, George, I've been trading the RSI divergence for years. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. You need a bit of luck. And it works beautifully. You keep fingers crossed, your arms crossed, your leg crossed, your head crossed, and everything will work well, alright? But sometimes you can have a bit of idea whether it's clean cut, is ready or not, okay? And what is happening here, I want to draw something on my chart very fast. Think of it like this, that the RSI, this is the RSI, okay? Forming the lower top, as it did here, okay? During that time, when the RSI is forming the lower top, so from here to here, you want to look up the price, what the price is doing in that time. If during that time the price did something like this, when it's going up, when it's diverging, you want to pay attention to the price going up because the RSI is going down. You want to examine the structure of the price at the time when the RSI is going down. So the RSI is going down. What was the price during that time? A lot of traders sometimes here will think that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's not. Price went up first time, yes or no? Everybody agree or disagree? Draw the channels. It went up first time. This is what I want you to do. Then everybody agree that it pulled back a bit. Yes? And then everybody agree that then it start going up again in a channel. So what the price has done, as all of us we have agreed now, is that our price went up 1, 2, 3 in 3 more, 1, 2, 3. So anytime the RSI going from a high to a lower high, if we see that the price diverging from the RSI doing 1, 2, 3, this is a clean cut RSI divergence trading setup. What we are doing, we are examining the structure of the price divergence, searching for the minimum price move that is free. So once we see that, we draw that critical warning line. We say priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below. As the setup is ready here, you see this one, the bearish one followed by this one, so you can examine the candlestick pattern here, how the monitor the reaction of the price. Look at this one betrays everything. I want to dwell on this a bit, this candlestick bar, inverted doji, the pin. You remember that candlestick bar? Piercing through a key level. So this is quite bearish, so there were orders here to sell, people sold it. But the following candlestick bar is bullish. This is very, very bullish candlestick bar. So now the reaction, so this candlestick bar and this one, at this point in time, they are those two candlestick bar are forming a bullish candlestick bar. So the first reaction, people sold it down, bullish trader came back and filled it up again. So we will be drawing the high, the low, and the median line of that long candlestick bar, expecting to buy near the median line here of this one here. That's why I pull back to retest the median line. Now, as people try to push it back up, those buyers here, those are smart technical traders. They bought it at the midpoint of this long candlestick bar, which is normal. Now that they try to close the deal, so to speak, bringing up above that level, 135, they have failed. It's stuck. They were again sellers here. Now we need to start preparing ourselves to sell using a top-down trading method. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Is here a flat correction? You see now, so this is a clean cut RSI divergence, trading setup. RSI forming a lower high, examine the price structure, 1, 2, 3. So you may say, George, I'm going now. Don't go yet. It becomes this is quite good. This is a very clean cut. Not only the price did form 1, 2, 3, while the RSI was forming a lower high, the price structure from the beginning here, all the way up here, is also subdivided into 3. Is it a fractal pattern? Yes, it is. It's a fractal. 1, 2, 3 to the top. Are you with me? Let's put a bit of color into it to please your retina. Okay, your retina computers. Apple computers uses. Alright. The bigger price move is also subdivided into 1, 2, 3, and the last part of the bigger move also subdivided into 3. It's a fractal pattern. RSI exhibits a bearish divergence. Be prepared to sell like a pro using a top-down trading method. This is a clean-cut RSI divergence trading method. So as I explained to you at the beginning of this tutorial, that the reason why I use the word clean cut, not clean shaven, all right, is because my intention is to give to traders that are looking for things that they can work with. Here it is. I'm not saying that it's a guarantee or a magic one that you can use to print money in the financial market. I'm saying that you can work with this, but first, use a demo account, practice until you master it, okay? And use it if you like it. If you don't like it, don't use it. All right? Trading setup, then we use a top-down trading method to trade it without ignoring the economy news, the fundamentals, and so on, and so on. If you sell at this here, because the minimum price is 1, 2, 3, you sell here, your first target is this top here. Here, 1, 2, 3, or here. At this top, you'll be monitoring the price reaction there, and also here, first reaction, that's it. I see break below, retest. Retest what? The top, this one. So okay, it's slowly down below it. It's coming downward at level, and they push it back to retest it. So after you have a bearish divergence, this is this one here. So you may miss this one, but this is another one. It's a quite good one here because we have a divergence followed by a lower high. That's a high probability bearish trading setup. Bearish divergence followed by lower high, the high probability trading setup. And this one here, let me close it very quickly. This one here is another signal. RSI going down from a overbought to oversold. Price doing all sort of things. Now the price starts changing direction. We talk about it. All right, how to trade the RSI how to trade the RSI oscillator with eyes wide open. Check out that video that I just mentioned at Day Pro Trader, and you understand what is happening here. So here you will buy again here, right here. Because the RSI went down from overbought to oversold, price doing all sort of things. Now the RSI is saying to the price, follow me. This is it. This is this move here. Have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We appreciate your rating. You like it, mark it up. You dislike it, mark it down, all right, please. All right, if you found it useful, share it with your friend on the web. This will conclude our discussion today. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.